going on, gang? Make sure that you stay tuned in this video. I will be doing Yara's hair, just a quick simple hairstyle, and just detangling her hair, taking out her old hairstyle and refreshing it with a simple, cute, low maintenance hairstyle that she can rock for a couple of days because she's going to be going swimming and playing outside and it's hot. So we did a low maintenance hairstyle. So if you're looking for ideas to do for your daughter's hair, a quick, short, simple toddler style, stay tuned, watch until the end, and leave a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, thank you.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. I don't want it. It's a family thing. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher Gang. It's a family thing. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher Gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Sade, Micah's, Leah, Shy, Yara, they all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher Gang. Gang, 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 gang.
Hey, thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. As you can see in this video, as I already told you before, I am going to be doing Yara's hair. Right here in this part, I am taking out the rubber bands in her hair, chatting with her a little bit, and making sure I remove the beads and the rubber bands off of her hair. Some of these clips may just be a voiceover. Some of these clips are going to be moving fast. I just want to come in every now and then just to tell you guys exactly what I'm going to be doing. But for the most part, enjoy the music, enjoy the vibe, and enjoy Yara faces that she's making in this video. All right, let's go ahead and speed this part up. Right here, I'm just removing her old braids. She did have a plaits style that I had pinned up with beads in the front. So I'm just removing that so that I can detangle her hair fully. As you see, I wet it prior to detangling it and taking it out just so that it has some moisture. This is after I took all of her braids out, all her plaits out, and she does have a little bit of residue at the base of her hair, but her hair is not extremely dirty to need a full wash day. So what I did was just make sure that I tackled the roots very well, and I added on some Don't Shrink cream. It's flaxseed. It's by Aunt Jackie's, and Aunt Jackie products work well on natural hair as well as relaxed hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and wet her hair and then apply the cream that I just showed you by Aunt Jackie. I try to make sure that her hair is somewhat saturated so that when I do apply the cream, it can hold that moisture in her hair so that her hair is extremely hydrated. Now I just have the comb and I'm going through and detangling her roots, starting from the tip and working my way up so that I can get that residue that is at the base of her hair near her roots off of her hair and fully detangled. She does have finer hair, but her hair does get tangled very easily. So after I'm fully detangling her hair, I go through and add in some Jamaican black castor oil so it can seal in that moisture from the cream and the water. The Jamaican black castor oil that I have is the mango scent, and boy, that this does smell amazing. It has your hair smelling so good for days. You see, I told y'all to smell it. She said it smells good. Thumbs up. So after I have her head fully detangled and moisturized and everything, I'm about to go ahead and just style it with a low maintenance style like I told you before. So I put a part from ear to ear right in the middle of her head so that it is divided from the front and the back. Now I'm just going to divide that front section that I parted off into 2 separate parts right down the middle. I'm trying to find the middle of the part right here. She kept on moving, but eventually we got a part that was semi-straight. As you know, toddlers move so much, so you got to move with them, okay? But the part, after I got the part in the middle, I go ahead and start on one side. And I'm going to go ahead and use the flaxseed gel by Aunt Jackie's. And it's the Don't Shrink gel, and it works very well on her hair. It makes her curls so pretty and elongated, and it makes her hair look super wavy. But I go ahead and put that on her hair to lay down her edges and her little baby hairs, and then I go ahead and secure it with a rubber band. After I get her ponytail situated, I then go ahead and put it in a 2-strand twist, simple and easy, and then twirl the ends with my finger to make a finger coil. Now I just go ahead and repeat that same step on the other side. Yara is making silly faces at you guys. And that is pretty much it. Next, I just put some flaxseed gel on the back of her hair so that the back is nice, juicy, and coiled as well. And I did her edges in this part, and that's, you will see in the next clip exactly how it turned out. This sweet girl, you're so silly, girl. It's her silly. Oh, now do a spin for her. Spin around. Ew. Turn back around. Give a thumbs up.
Hi, I like your video. Thank you, Jane.
If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, Jane.
With the Macher Gang.
Gang, 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 gang.